Hi folks, Ben here at Pierre Driving School. Today we're covering Blake Avenue, New York, Brooklyn, New York. Driving school on Blake Avenue, driving lesson on Blake Avenue. This is Ben here with Pierre Driving School. And this channel, we are all in about driving. So if you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. This question was requested. The student lives around here, Blake Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Requested we do a lesson, coming to pick her up. Then we do lesson. If you live in the New York area, you want us to help you, check the link in the description below, and we can do a lesson as we come in to pick you up, so you can have familiar around your area. Okay, as we go here, we're gonna go through to our regular left and right. You pay good attention here. Human on the left side, pay attention to that. Is the traffic coming in here? Fall back. Okay, traffic is falling back, which is good. Okay, paying good attention here. All right, and continue to go. Good. Forward planning all your moves. Forward planning all your moves. When you stop, you like to see the tire of the car in front of you on the ground. If you cannot, you follow too closely. All right. This lesson today is on Blake Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, one of the areas that we cover here at Pierre Driving School. Nevertheless, the driving stays the same. The tips and tricks and technique that we go over, they are applicable wherever you're driving, because the driving doesn't change based on state. The rules and regulations may change, but drivings remain the same. So if anything you want me to cover in particular for us to put in the comment below, as we can go over them together. If you notice now, we're sharing the bike lane here. You guys notice the bike lane is being shared. That's when we can drive in over the bike lane. We just have to pay attention to the for bikers, but the bike lane is being shared. As whereas if it was individual, we would have not been able to drive over the bike lane. We would have to respect that and drive off of the bike lane. All right, as we driving, we pay attention and we go over rules as we going through. All right, like I've always said, forward planning all your moves and signal everything that you're doing contrary from going straight. This lesson is on Blake Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Driving school on Blake Avenue, as well as driving lesson on Blake Avenue as well. Making a left turn here. Traffic is clear ahead, mirror left, shoulder left, and we go to the turn here. Always pay attention to all of our surroundings. The bike lane still being shared, all right, folks? Whenever the route is tiny, so they cannot afford to give the bike lane their own individual lane, so they share it. Nevertheless, we still have to be mindful, so they can pop up any minute, so we have to drive respectively and very observant. See, there's a speed bump and the thing here. That thing is hard. Yep, you see how much she's shaking the car? Those little things here they put on the street can mess up your car. You have to pay attention. Always pay attention to the road. Anything in particular, folks, put in the comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. And anybody that you know can benefit from this video, share this video with them. Share this video in groups. Anybody that can benefit from that. You guys know that anyhow you can help someone to get the license, and the US is one of the greatest gifts you can give them one way or another. Although you may not have to drive for a living, but your license can enhance the way of living. If you guys agreeing with me, put in the comment below. If you're not agreeing with me, let me know in the comment below your thoughts on getting your license in the US. I'm from the Caribbean. The license had dramatically enhance my life. All right, so let me know if you guys can relate to that. All right, so if you're new here, like I said again, you may consider to subscribe. This lesson today is on Blake Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. one of the area that we cover in Brooklyn, we go our left and right, and thing that we observe as we driving in the street of New York City. New York City is a big city with a lot of busy area and crazy, a lot of crazy driver too. But it's our problem, it's our obligation to make sure that we chase you all the thing that we know of that can prevent you from getting in trouble. Okay, the traffic is clear ahead, I'm proceeding. If the traffic was not cleared, I would have not continued because I do not want to get caught up at the crosswalk. This car is parking on my right side. I'm giving the car some space. Okay, you see? Giving this some space. Then rolling up from there. Good. Always not crowded the person to give them space to do things that they have to do, they wanted to do. Because in the end, each one help one. You know, pushing out make his life difficult and make also my life difficult. And you know that's like how that gonna turn out to be. To avoid that, you give them as much space you can. Mirror left, shoulder left. We go around because this car parked to the right side. We're coming back the same way. Coming back here, mirror right, shoulder right. Come back the same way. Everything we do to the left, we do it to the right. I'm already paying attention with the construction ahead that coming up to see how I'm gonna handle. Forward planning all your moves. Always looking ahead what's going on. New York always under constructions. Anything I'm missing, guys, on my driving in the street that I could spot better, I did not spot, put in the comment below, let me know if I'm missing anything, so next time I do lesson, I can be looking out for those things. Trying to let them clear, but it was busy, then I continue to go. Okay, the enforcer tell me to go, then I go. Okay, the light is red, they tell me to go, I continue to go. Okay, good. Pay good attention here. When we stop, we like to see the tire of the car in front of us touching the ground, otherwise we follow too closely. Good, the car behind me fall back. That's nice. Most likely they don't, because that would have been blocking off that side over there. They're doing good things sometimes. Traffic is moving. Always, before fully engage the acceleration, always check to see if nobody is closing in on you. Okay. Always stop sign, single stop where we're visible. The one on the right was already there. Okay, thank you so much. You let me go, then I continue to go. Okay, but it was there first. We yelled right over it. They don't want to take, then we have to continue to go. We're not going to hold back the traffic side of the fight. You go, I go, then it's become a problem. You know, we do not need that. Anything you guys want to look to cover, put in the comment below. Car park on my right side, signal to the on my left side, signal to the left to go around it. After I'm finished clearing it, okay, wash it, come back here. I'm washing the moped as well. Turbo on my right side, okay. Some enforcement here, giving tickets. All right, shoulder right. All right, there you have it, folks. Gonna pull over here, wait for the student. Until then, folks, keep practicing. This has been here with Pierre Driver School. Take care now. Bye-bye.